Hey guys, Kid Guru here again today, and I have a new video today on covering a product that was actually released early in the week, or early last week, and I just got mine actually set up, and it's Google Buzz. So if you don't know what this is, I'm going to leave a link to Lifehacker's post, which I think did a really good job on explaining what Google Buzz is and how it's going to work. It's pretty much a new social networking service that's built into Gmail, and kind of surfaces around the whole Google sphere, as it says here. And the video is a really good explanation of it. Google always does good kind of ad campaigns that are simple. But labeling off some of the features here off of the 5 key features that was mentioned at the event for Google. It has automatic friends list, so friends are automatically added from your Gmail contacts. Rich, fast sharing, so it kind of gives that ability to combine sources like Twitter, Picasso, so you can take other networks and put them into a single feed and give that real-time experience at the same time that Google Wave offers. Public and private sharing, so you can do personal sharing to just family members, cousins, whatever it may be, our close friends, and you can do public sharing, kind of out to the whole web. Inbox integration, like I said, it's integrated in Gmail. So one thing this does, as it does, it's integrated. Like I said, it's a social networking kind of tool, and it gives you the ability to share content from Twitter, from Picasa, from Flickr. But let's say you get a notification, let's say you get a comment, you get a new buzz, you want to hear about it, you can directly have those forwarded to your Google, your Gmail inbox. That way you won't miss it in Buzz. Also comes with recommended buzzes, which is kind of just that recommendation feature. Kind of puts new things into your timeline that your friends are interested in, and also it's using an algorithm where it's kind of looking at the stuff that you view and seeing all the stuff that it kind of wants to pick out that it knows that you won't really want to read. The stuff you will, that you want to, what do you call that? The stuff that you're going to want to, see and want at the top of your feeds and, all that stuff. So it has some really cool features to it. And as you can see, here's some screenshots. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to also jump over to the actual Google Buzz. So this is on my kidgurucenter@gmail.com account. This is my actual personal account. As you can see here, you have your inbox, you have Buzz, and it has this little icon right here for the Buzz icon. So here's the Buzz interface. The Buzz kind of similar to that whole Twitter thing where you want to post an update, but there is no limit. The thing about posting an update, this goes beyond the status messages, as Google likes to say. And I'm going to go back to buzz.google.com. It's already activated if you use Gmail, but this kind of lists off the same features here, and you can do it on your mobile phone if you want to check that out, iPhone or Nexus One. But like it says, it goes beyond the status messages. It makes it easier to share updates, photos, videos, and more, and kind of push it out as well to your other social networks. So kind of like that whole friend feed deal and stuff like that. This is gonna be a huge deal just because one, they've integrated in Gmail, so they really do mean business, and Google's a big I can say player in the market. So something definitely that's gonna be a really really big impact on the whole social media. I guess the whole social media in general. But anyway, so here you can put your account and edit your whole avatar and everything like that. But before I click this, I do want to show you the other things. You can put connected sites. So if I hit this will actually show me the sites I have enabled, like Twitter and Picasa. And as you see here, I have my Twitter account sharing with public. You can change it to private. I have my Picasa, I have my Google Reader, so the stuff I kind of find interesting that I'm reading, I can have it post out. And I also have more sites. I can go with I can do a blog spot. I can put my Google Chat status. I can say posted via buzz@gmail.com. So I can do a whole bunch of stuff concerning email, photos, blogging, statuses, all that stuff. All right. Now here it also shows that since I've joined, I recently just set up my Buzz account. I have 5 new followers, or I guess these are the 5 followers I recently got, and these are probably people who have me in their contacts list or just recently started following me. And I'm just today I added some people, so you can hear just kind of like that whole Twitter deal where you can kind of see that you can follow certain people. Like I said, the people you talk to in your contacts are already integrated, so people you chat with, email with constantly are going to be automatically followed just because it's working out the whole algorithm of the people you talk to mostly. For example, I have some emails here of family members, and I'm gonna probably have to blur some of this out just because I don't want to, be condoning or not condoning, but I don't want to be advertising, people's email account or email addresses. But as you can see here, for example, Duncan's one I follow. Um, Patrick Driscoll, he's a guy on the web that I know as well. And some big names like Gina Trapani, Leo Laporte, Adam Pash, You can pretty much, if you want to find somebody, you can search their email address, or you can just type in their name and search for them, search for their profile and add them. And there's even a suggestions thing that's not filled out for me, but again, I'll fill out suggestions based on the people who I follow, what type of content they post, and who my friends are following. It will kind of show an overview of who they think I should follow as well. So the whole recommendation feature comes in there as well. Right now, if I'm actually posting an update, it also takes into the account of if I post in links or photos, it automatically will recognize. So for example, if I posted this link of a picture right here, and it'll let it load for a second before I even, when I go to put in my next word or whatever, it'll automatically embed that image. And you see there was a Google Buzz logo. So it recognizes links that are pictures, and again, at the same time, if you post a link to your website, it'll recognize that as well. I believe it also recognizes video from YouTube or anything like that. It'll automatically embed it into your post. So it kind of looks more streamlined, more Web 2.0. And at the same time, if somebody's going to comment, like you see this article right here, posted by Robert Scoble, has 135 comments. He's a huge guy in the social networking field. And if I was to comment on it, or I can say, I like it, or, email it to somebody, if I was to comment on it, it's just like that wave. It takes that real-time approach where as soon as I post it, it'll show up for him if he's reading his buzz at this time, or, whoever else is reading his post. My comment will show up my, thoughts just like that, instantaneously. No need to refresh or anything like that. And again, like I said, you can let anyone find your post, or you can keep it private to certain friends that you choose, access to. And you can even post it, to your Google profile, and obviously it's going to post it to your Google profile and your however many followers you currently have. And if you guys want to add me free, feel free to just search Adrian Kogier. I think maybe if you search Kid Guru, you might even find me, or just search kidgurucenter@gmail.com, and that should be able to find my profile as well. I'll leave a link to that in the video description. But as you see here, as I kind of scroll down, it's just scroll down, I should say. It's just showing an outlook of everybody who's posting, their whatever it may be where their location is, a picture, as Leo Laporte did here. It just simply integrates it. If I click it, the great thing about pictures, and as you can see here, I can do a whole bunch of sharing options as well. It automatically opens it in its own little browser within Gmail. So if I was to click this, it says loading picture, and I accidentally clicked out there. It kind of fades everything out and automatically puts his picture up there. Now the same thing, if there's multiple pictures, I can kind of just slide through them. It's making that whole experience of the web much easier, much more integrated. As you see, it's integrated into Gmail, so I can simply switch from this to Google Maps, Google Docs, to Google Calendar to schedule an event. It's all that simple, and that's what makes Buzz really, really, that much more seamless. You don't have to leave your Google environment and your Google accounts. It doesn't need to be its own little standalone application for you to, share content, for you to, view content as well. And this is going to become huge just because you can see here, for example, he's using this map feature. So if I was to say show a map, I can see what's buzzing in certain areas, and it's going to automatically open this map here, and it shows, it geotags where his this buzz was sent from. And I can kind of see if I ever when they start integrating this more into maps, we'll be seeing the power of I can view a map, let's say in the Los Angeles area, and kind of see what stories, what posts are buzzing, who's talking, who's commenting on certain events. It may be breaking news, it may be something, an accident just happened and people are buzzing about it on Google, and they're sharing it. And like I said, you can have these your tweets, your Picasa, your Flickr posts. As soon as you upload a picture, as soon as you send out a tweet, an out reply, whatever it may be, it can stream into your Google Buzz, so it filters out to everybody as well. And there's even solutions like buzzcan'ttweet.com. So now you can make tweet your buzz. So this is if you want your Google Buzz sent to your Twitter account. So if you don't have, if you want to use Google, or if you want to use Buzz as your main interface, instead of, for example, if I was to post something to Twitter, it would go to Buzz, but it doesn't work vice versa. If you wanted Buzz to go out to Twitter, you have to use this site. So basically, you set this up, you just say get started, and this works as Facebook as well, I think. And this means once you post something on Buzz, just Buzz alone, it will push it out to Twitter, it'll push it out to Facebook. It'll work vice versa. That's one feature that's not integrated into Buzz right now, but this is something that they're working on. And again, it'll let you sign in with your Gmail account, and you can authenticate your Twitter account as well, and then that lets you work from there. But yeah, that's a really cool thing. Now, again, I really recommend you read this Lifehacker post. There's so much more that goes into Buzz. It's a great tool that's coming out. I thought I'd just give a quick overview just because I love covering new stuff in technology. Again, if you feel free to Follow me on Buzz, and all the updates I'll be posting. I'll surely be using this both on the phone and on the web, the web interface. All links will be in the video description to the right, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And if you have your own Buzz username or account you want to share, go ahead in the comments below and post your Buzz ID, and I'll be sure to give you a follow. Alright, guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys next video.